Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 4 big mistakes you might be making with your small YouTube channel. And yes, I've made some of these blunders myself, so you're definitely not alone. So grab your notebooks, buckle up, and get ready to learn from my mishaps. Alright, let's talk about consistency, or should I say, the lack of it. You see, back in the day I thought I could get away with uploading whenever I felt like it. Big mistake, it's like showing up to a date 2 hours late with no explanation. Your viewers need to know when to expect your content. They crave that consistency, that digital appointment they can look forward to. Think about your favorite TV shows. Imagine if they just aired a new episode whenever they felt like it. Chaos, right? Your channel is no different. Set a schedule and stick to it like glue. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency builds trust and loyalty with your viewers. It tells them you're serious about your craft and that you value their time. Plus, the YouTube algorithm seems to favor channels that upload regularly. So, do yourself a favor, set a schedule, and hit that upload button like clockwork. Next up, we're tackling the art of talking back, and no, I don't mean starting YouTube beef. I'm talking about engaging with your viewers in the comments section. You see, the comments section is like a digital living room. It's where your viewers come to hang out, share their thoughts, and connect with you. Ignoring them is like inviting someone over, then proceeding to completely ignore their existence. Your viewers are taking the time to watch your content, so the least you can do is acknowledge their presence. Respond to comments, ask questions, start conversations. It's a chance to build relationships with your audience, get to know them better, and create a sense of community around your channel. Plus, it shows the YouTube algorithm that people are engaged with your content, which can lead to better visibility. I remember back when I started, every comment felt like a small victory. I'd reply to each and every one, no matter how short or simple. So don't be shy, jump into those comments, and show your viewers some love. Okay, let's be real here for a second. We're living in the age of high-definition, 4K, ultra-realistic visuals. Viewers have come to expect a certain level of quality, and grainy footage just won't cut it. Imagine watching your favorite movie, but the picture is blurry, the sound is muffled, and the whole experience is just off. You'd probably switch it off, right? The same principle applies to your YouTube videos. Poor video quality can be a major turnoff for viewers. It screams amateur hour and makes it hard to take your content seriously. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and buy the most expensive camera gear on the market. Start with what you have and focus on getting the basics right. Good lighting, clear audio, and stable footage. There are tons of tutorials online that can teach you how to improve your video quality without breaking the bank. Remember, your viewers are taking the time to watch your content. Give them something that's visually appealing and easy on the eyes and ears. Alright, let's talk about self-promotion, because guess what? Even the best content in the world won't get you anywhere if nobody knows it exists. Imagine throwing a killer party, like the coolest party of the year, complete with confetti cannons, a live band, and an endless supply of pizza. But here's the catch, you forget to send out invitations. Result? An empty dance floor and a whole lot of wasted pizza. That's what it's like to create amazing content but not promote your channel. You need to get the word out there, let people know you exist, and entice them to join the party. Share your videos on social media, engage with other creators in your niche, collaborate on projects. Treat your channel like a business, because that's what it is, or has the potential to be. I remember when I first started, I was hesitant to promote my channel, but then I realized, if I don't believe in my content, who will? So I swallowed my pride and started sharing my videos everywhere I could. Share your passion, engage with the community, and watch your channel grow. So keep these tips in mind, and maybe your channel will be the next big thing. Just remember to have fun, be yourself, and don't be afraid to experiment. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and laughs. Remember, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Unless you trip at the start line. See you in the next video.